This is my new project. Tomorrow I have to start and to do this for 2-3 days maximum. It's a real estate. What is this? Real estate, yeah. Nice clients, very kind. First impression. Yeah, this is the office. This is the laminate. Here's the old carpet. We install the laminate on top of the carpet. We reinstall the baseboards. The color is nice. I like it. Looks how will be beautiful. Subscribe to my page if you need a professional flooring installation service. All types of flooring.